How to make sounds on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll from here. Select the video you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Then tap on Next again. You can also add a caption and manage other settings from here. Now check the option below and tap on Post at the bottom. After that, go to your feed and open the video you just posted. Now tap on the sound option as shown. This is the sound you added in the video. Now tap on Use Sound at the bottom. You can now use this sound to make other videos on TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily make sounds on TikTok.